Hey guys, welcome you all in Technology to the Point. Today we will talk about few more free courses which is from Udemy. And today we are talking about courses which is related to security, but these are the basic courses, so I think we can get it in free, so we should have access that one. And if you are not belongs to security domain also, but once you will cross your experience in IT more than 4 or 5 years, then you will realize that these terms are very, very important for us, and we should have understanding as well, because these are the general courses, means general terminology are used there. So let's see what are those courses we have. So first we will talk about GDPR and data protection compliance. Second, CCIE Security Fundamentals. Third, we have scanning and discovery techniques for Pentesters, that is with the Nmap. And then I have few more things that is not from Udemy, but I would say that we have very limited time access for that one, and it is very, very useful. It is not only related to the security, but also if any domain you belongs to in IT, it will help you. And these are few learning paths. It's not a single course, it's a bunch of courses, so you should focus on that as well. As I mentioned, these courses mentioned above for Udemy, it is not free at all. We require some coupon code to get them, and I can't guarantee how long it will be available and how long this coupon will be valid. But when I'm making this video and uh, uploading it for public, then right now it is working, and I'll show you directly on the portal itself. So this first course I told you about, GDPR and data protection compliance, it is just a 30 minutes course, and you will get much information related to GDPR regulations, how it is compliant with the data protection and data privacy, and the responsibility what you have and what your organization should have related to the privacy of data. So this is the information we will get it through this course. And you can see I just got the screenshot from the portal. It's not free at all. And below you can see the URL, and same URL you can find in the description box, so you can have access to that one. Let's see how we can use it. So guys, for this course, if you go to the link which is given inside the description box, then you will see this page will be open, and you can see this course is not free at all. So what we need to do, we need to provide some coupon code here. That might be I'm not sure when you are accessing this portal. So I uploaded this video on 17th of August, and let's check if it is working today or not. Before going that one, what my motto is to understand what we will get it in this course. So you will get all the GDPR related regulations and how it is applied to the real world, and what is the difference between the protection and data privacy. And if you go to the description, you can see that it will have a is good idea about the GDPR compliance. So even if you are not working in a security domain, but it's always good to have this information, because after some point of time, when you spend 4 to 5 years in IT, you will come across these terms again and again. So you should have that understanding, right? So let's see what coupon code we need to use it and how we can make it free. So we need to go to apply coupon code, and then we need to provide AUG for August 20 for 2020, and then special. So this is the coupon code we need to apply to make this course free. You can see, yes. Now you can see this course is free, and we are free to enroll it. Once we will go to enroll now, it will ask for payment, and it will check, yes, our coupon is working well, and now the total cost is 0. You can enroll it. So now we are good to go for learning for this particular course. So I'll recommend just enroll it as soon as possible, because I'm also not sure when this coupon will be deactivated from the creator side. So let's see what we have next. So guys, as we already enrolled for the first course, now we have the second one, that is CCIE Security Fundamentals. In this course, you will know some terms related to the security. Means you will know about the malware, what are those, what are virus, trojans, rootkit, and some attacks as well, like SQL injection or DDoS attack. And then how we can analyze the malwares, and how the security is important in cloud, and how what we need to learn about that thing. We will get to know about after completing this course. And this course is just of 1 hour, so it's worth to spend that time and keep ourselves up to date in terms of security domain. As you know, it is also a kind of a hot skill domain. And you can see the URL down, and the same URL you can see in the description box. And you can see the screenshot I taken from the portal itself. So now let's go to the portal directly and check how we can access that course and enroll for it. So guys, once you click on the given URL inside the description box, you will come across this particular page. So what you will get here, see, first thing we need to check that this course is not free at all. And second thing, it is just a 1 hour of course. So it is good to get some knowledge related to the security. And then if you go to the learning part, what you will get to know about the malware, virus, and rootkit, then DDoS attacks, then SQL injection attacks, malware analysis techniques, and also you will get to know about the security inside the cloud. So cloud. So it's a good, right? Within 1 hour, you will get to know these many things. And what I'm trying to say that if you are working in security domain, then you must have this information. But if you are still not working in security domain, but you have already spent 4 to 5 years or about to complete that one, then you should understand these terms very well, because in some point of time you will come across these terms again. And then it's always recommended to have some basic information related to that, so it will be easy for your career or your working. And then which coupon code we need to use it, or we need to use free 2020 L. Yeah, after applying this code, you can see now this course is available for free and we can enroll it. Once I clicked on enroll, it will ask again for payments. After verification of coupons, it is showing 0, and this is how we can enroll for this course. Let's see for the next course what we have. So guys, we have already enrolled for 2 courses. I hope you like the content what I'm offering through my videos. My main motto is to make myself aware about these technologies and make yourself. If you do know, well and good. If you don't know, then you can learn these as well, because I worked as a security consultant and currently working as an infrastructure designer. So I have around 10 years of experience, and I know that what are the technologies are important, because I work for many projects, like around more than 10 projects where I delivered many solutions. So just trying to help others as well what I know. So now we have third course, that is belongs to Nmap. And Nmap is a tool which help us to for scanning and discovery of threats. So it will only tell you after you will learn it, what I say. So you will learn from the sketch how we can install the Nmap and how we can scan the ports, and scanning and discovery techniques are there, operating system and service detection as well. And this is also just a 36-minute course, so you can understand these are the very short term, means short time courses. I named as a white size learning courses. So these courses are very small, very short time we need to spend, but the learning what we get it from these courses, these last for us for longer time, and these are the useful things that we should know, whatever level you are. And you can see the URL below of this slide, and also you will find the same in the description box. Once you get it, just click on it. Then let's say how we can enroll for it with the coupon code. So guys, once you clicked on the URL given inside the description box, you will come across this page, and you can see this course is also not free. And what you will get in this course, it is just a 36-minute course, and it will give you brief information related to the installing Nmap, how it do port scanning, and you will get to know scanning and discovery techniques, and operating system and service detection. So it's good that if you are belongs to security domain, then it's well and good, and you must have this information, or you should know that how Nmap works. And if you are not, then you should have some understanding how Nmap works, because in some point of time you will become an architect, and when you will be involved in any issue and working with the network team, you should understand how these things work, right? So within 36 minutes, I would say that it is the best course to get information related to the Nmap, and it is a very famous tool. As I worked as a security consultant as well, so I know that how critical it is. And the coupon code what we need to use is LE98/1. And once you apply this code, this course will become free. So once you get it, you just need to click on enroll and check the payment, and you can see the worth of this course. Actually it is 10,000, but they normally give the offer, but we are getting it at free, so that's good deal. So now you are good to go for learning. Let's see what we have last in this video. So guys, we have done with the Udemy courses now. mm, I'm not sure you guys heard about the LinkedIn learning, but I'm sure that you already heard about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform where corporate people connects with each other, but LinkedIn learning is a learning platform. Like we have Pluralsight, we have Udemy, where you can purchase the courses. Same way we have the LinkedIn learning, where you can get the access for whole portal, or you can buy the course individually. But due to this COVID-19 situation, they are contributing to the society, means in the sense working professional. The most of the people are sitting at home and working, right? And they get time and they want to upskill themselves, so they are offering 14 learning paths. So just understand this thing, these are not 14 courses, these are the 14 learning path, and for each learning path there are multiple courses, so you will get all the access to these 14 learning paths free of cost. And the access for these one will have till March 2021, as I'm making this video on 17th of August, so you will have access to these 14 paths around more than 6 months, so it's good. And these courses are available in English, French, Spanish and German language as well. So if you know other language, if you are not comfortable with English, then you can use that one if you know. And these 14 courses not only belongs to the technical one. So what, how they divided, they divided into two sections. Like 10 courses belong to technology, and 4 belongs to the soft skills. So you can grow yourself in soft skill like communication and other path. And for each path, once you completed that one, you will get the free certificate for completion, and you can use that completion certificate in your LinkedIn profile. So these are the learning paths which is available for free. It is for software developer, sales representative, project manager, compliance certification, then data analyst. You can go through these one, whichever you like. You can register for it and start learning. And I'll say, just utilize more your time for learning, so it will help you not only now but also in future as well. And there down you can see the fourth section means for the learning path. You will have access. How we can access learning path? The link is given in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. That's it I have for today. I wish you happy learning. You, if you like my content, then like my video. That will encourage me to share more knowledge with you. And don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon, because that will help you to get notification, because this is required when I'm offering something or sharing some coupon codes, because I'm also not sure this coupon will be last for 1 hour, 1 day, or 10 day. So might be if you access that video late, and then you will think that yeah, I made some bluff or something, because as we already seen that these coupons are working today. So thanks again. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video.